we're going to roll this hole up. I put a lot of heat in there and I burned it in and soaked it in pretty good. I just did this one over here, same thing. But this one, you got all that corrosion all over, screws up the weld. This one here was a lot cleaner head. See how it didn't have all the corrosion all the way around the outside edges like over on this one?
Yeah.
So it's just a clean weld. You just got to make sure you put enough in to make sure it's above the surface. There's always a little bit of a dimple when it cools.
Mm-hmm.
Because that one's still above the surface. See, this one's a little bit higher, but I don't like them when they're real close like that, but it's below the surface. But
Yeah, because I can see the dimple in that one.
yeah, you know, when you cut it off, you have a hole right there.
Right.
Help us.
It defeated the purpose of you even welding it.
Yeah, but all this other repair work is fine all the way around, all the way very good.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to do these now. So we don't have to heat up full hot on these, but I put a lot of heat right here, if you notice here. I put general heat across the whole head because I don't like welding a cold head. It warps it around a lot. So you want to get some heat on everything. So a couple hundred degrees, get some temperature into it. And then right here, I heat the shit out of it right here. And that's where I'm going to pour the heat in. So you want to make sure you burn any oils or any oil in there to burn out before you try to heat it with a welder. Otherwise it screws up the weld. Back on. Head gasket residue on this one.
Yeah.
And carbon. Sparkle shell. Christmas time. You never really want to weld on a cold anything. You want to get some heat in there. It doesn't have to be a cold, but it's
Is that because the sponsor welding will expand too fast?
You just don't want to have a cracking problem.
Oh.
Putting some heat in, it's not dead cold, it helps. Plus, aluminum's not transferring heat real badly. The more heat you put in before you start rolling, the less heat you got to put in when the weld is. Still got to put a lot in there. So that's why I put extra heat right here. Warm up this part here, you know, I only spent 5 minutes with the welder on trying to heat up the weld area. That's not enough free.
Yeah.
Probably enough heat in most of the head right now. That'll do it. You want to overheat a sheet by doing this real quick to the inside. Put the sheet really easy. Make it fall out. More about that. Break the edge of it off. Carbon melts away at 900, so when that carbon goes away, you know you're not should be enough. Still got argon coming out to keep the weld welding. So I put enough heat in there, finally the hole flashed over. And all the melt and stuff came together. Then I poured the rod in. So that gives you 100% weld when you do that. If you just put rod there on the side of the hole, the cap's over, it's not welded underneath.
Yeah.
That weld's good. Nice clean weld. No big holes or frosting in it. I didn't really use that much rod because I melted everything into it. So once it filled all the way across, I just poured the rod on top, fills it right up real quick, done. Everything else, if I pull the heat out a little bit slowly, let it kind of start contracting in. You got to definitely put more rod in it. But I put enough of the cap on it, didn't matter. Practice. Okay, that's hot. Again. Well, this one I screwed up a little bit, so I got a little fluid on the weld over.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
I'm gonna take that out. Kind of with that gas, you see it. Gas is still here. Any moisture or oil off the wheel area. If it's dripping oil, it won't hold very well. That big hole in the side of that big hole in the side of it?
No.
We'll leave that one right there.
Yeah, we'll leave that one alone.
Park on this road. low spot right there.
Oh yeah.
Feel it.
I can see it.
Yeah. That'd be a screw up. Learn how to welding rod too. Spot gone. I was trying to weld the other side of that hole where that bad spot was, and when I put all the rod in there, it hit that low spot because I didn't see it. See how it's gone?
Yeah.
Oh, you see how this little spot here on the back side right here. Now I think we can weld the even the top of the head. That low spot.
Yeah. But it looks like it's even with the top of the head.
Yeah, it's even the left.
Yeah.
Sorry, we're welding to it. We didn't want to flow into it. Put heat in it, we didn't want to do it, so I left it. Be fine. We'll cut across that whole area anyway, dude. That's inside the gasket. The other area anyway, doesn't matter. But still, it's a nice quick weld when you're done with it. I also went over that carbon there, all that carbon inside.
Yeah.
Make sure I burn that out of the way. You don't want that carbon on here as well. More contaminated. Not too awful hot. No. All right. Good now.